Minerals. The elements occurring in nature are called minerals. Our body requires many minerals such as calcium, phosphorus, sodium, iron, copper, etc. They are required in small quantities, but each one is essential for building organs and good health. Sources of some minerals are shown below in the figure. Some important minerals and their nutritional value are as under. Calcium is required for strengthening bones and teeth. Phosphorus is required for strong bones and teeth. Iron is required for forming hemoglobin. Deficiency of iron leads to anemia in humans. Iodine for proper working of thyroid gland. Deficiency of iodine causes goiter.